Nice. A third. Oh, I see. That's clapping ants. First one. Second one.
I have been collecting bits of wood from the fun forest. We could use this to build a den. It'll be fun.
I guess that'd be kind of fun.
Yeah, it could work.
Magnifique!
Clap your hands. This. Nice. I love you, sir.